Yeah, I can't get the levels that I want and get the big ones out of there. Yeah, they got enough food in there. You sure you coming? Because I don't want to leave this trap there because they in there. No, I'm saying I'm going to shoot these and the rest of them going to have to go out. Well, how I'm going to get them out? Oh, okay. I'm on all three of them. Oh, shit, they getting out. Yeah, they found their way out. All right, I'm going to back off then. I'm going to get out of here because they stirred up. I don't know if they're going to be here.
Daddy.
Because there's allowed to be 40 or 50 of them in here.
Daddy.
Y'all sitting there trying to...
Ah, shit. You should have stayed over there. I ain't trying to fight no hard. Put your foot there. They ain't gonna come to you. Get him. Get out of here. You know it's a weak spot there. That's the main one right there. Shoot that one right there. Shoot this one, but she gonna try to take out. I don't want to clean that big one though, huh? Shit, was gonna do something, she gonna let the rest of them out. Alright. You got the pistol over there, shoot one.
I ain't got no pistol. You got both of them.
Make sure you don't shoot that wire. That's why I'm not trying to shoot through the wire. They don't want to come to me.
You gonna get a bullet in the brain. Coming over here.
You shoot both of them? I shot that little red. He's gonna die. In the neck. Well, you shot that one too, didn't you? Yeah. I'm gonna get that last black one. That black one. Oh. There's gun out of bullets.
Jammed. Here. I could have told you that one jammed a lot.
No, he ain't got no more bullets in him. That's a little male too. That one you gonna shoot over yonder? Yeah. That's a little male. He good to eat? At that age, he ought to be. Well, he already shot anyway. He shot now, sure enough. One more. Come on over here.
Watch out, y'all.
Hold on, Daddy.
What happened?
You shooting dead at me.
I was doing like this.
Hold on. No, just
Might be a rock down in Ricochet, huh? You gonna let that knot now? Huh?
It's gonna come over here. It's gonna get out.
Well, the thing about it, you ain't gonna catch no more this year, so you know the cage got to be fixed. But you gonna try to leave him in here for that boy? He coming? Nah, shit, he gonna let him out. I ain't going to fight that hoe. I'm talking about, I was gonna say, but you gonna, he ain't coming to get it, huh? He said he coming up Wednesday.
You gotta, what you doing? That one gotta be shot again.
That dog ain't gonna be here.
I can let this, open this and let him go now.
All right, yeah, come on over that way then. We'll let him get on that.
I'm gonna go sleep. right, let's go home. All these damn hoes. Yeah.
Gotta go to sleep. Shouldn't be out.
We got the rope on there. Drag her big ass over. Ain't no rope. Put it back your 4-wheel over here.
I got an idea. Let's go put all these things at the gut pit.
Gonna be cleaning all day.
Nah, we can clean all over. What's back there? Let me see. I'm gonna have to throw that out the way.
Philip. Getting your hands dirty. Man, freezing. I had some gloves, I would.
Let me call you back. Let me help, Mark. Hold him up. Hold it. Let me help, Mark. Let me get that. Let me get that something.
You don't need some help when I'm getting ready to go to jail with you.
That's the heavy hole. That's always 200 something pounds. I will get a rope, come back, drag that something out.
You don't want to keep it? Once you clean up, oh, you got anything to get up on those over here?
Yeah.
Well, let's go up here. You can always throw off something.
So we can put them things in the gut pit.
Huh?
So we go put these things in the gut pit.
Gut pit. Oh, yeah, this is it.
I'm talking about all of them.
No, I better think to the left.
These is big.
Mouth moving. They'll come back in,
We just throw it up here. Throw it up here, you can dump it off, so you have to come back.
That big one right there.
Oh. It ain't big as the other one. That's heavy. Big.
You got to grab gloves. Get some gloves, man.
Yeah, heavy. We're going to make it. Yeah, I'm going to help on this. I bet you
These no big.
Think so?
Come, shit. When they